In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Slides in full screen presenter mode. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your slides, find the right controls, and present them cleanly in full screen so your audience sees only what matters. First, open Google Slides in your browser. You can use any modern browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so you can access your files. When the Google Slides homepage loads, you'll see a few sections that help you get to your work quickly. The one we want is Recent Presentations. This area shows the decks you've been working on most recently, which is perfect when you're getting ready to present and don't want to dig through folders. Click Recent Presentations to expand that section if it isn't already visible, then locate the presentation you plan to show. If you have multiple versions with similar names, take a moment to confirm you've got the right one by checking the thumbnail and modified time. When you're sure, click the presentation to open it. With your deck open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the slideshow button, often represented by a triangular play icon. This is what launches your slides in full screen, hiding the editor and giving your audience a polished, distraction-free experience. It's exactly what you want before sharing your screen in a meeting or on a projector. Go ahead and click Slideshow. Your presentation will immediately switch to full screen mode. You'll notice simple controls appear, typically in the bottom left corner, letting you move forward or backward. You can also use your keyboard. The right arrow or spacebar advances and the left arrow goes back. If you need to exit, press Escape to return to the editor at any time. This full screen view is the one you'll share so everyone sees your content edge to edge. Because it's distraction-free, your audience won't see edit tools, comments, or other browser tabs. Before you present to others, it's a good idea to check that animations and embedded videos play smoothly and that your internet connection is stable if you're pulling in linked media. You can also briefly rehearse slide transitions using the arrow keys to get a feel for the pacing. That's it. You've opened Google Slides, quickly reached your deck from recent presentations, selected it, found the slideshow control in the upper right, and launched full screen presenter mode. You're now ready to share your slides confidently and keep your audience focused on your message.